My time is near to be a mom. It literally just hit me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VanessaK7 and we're back with another one. Thank you guys so much for clicking into my video. So I'm actually going out. I thought I would film a get ready with me, a spicy mommy get ready with me. You see the pampers in the background, yeah. My time is near to be a mom. It literally just hit me and I thought, let me get ready, because I will tell you this, if you're watching this and you're pregnant, or you know, maybe you can't relate but soon you'll relate, you can still enjoy yourself, you can still have fun, you can still look good, you can still feel good. And that's exactly what I plan to do. Pregnancy is a life changer that is supposed to change your life in a good way, not stop you from being the best you, not supposed to stop you from feeling good. So I got the natural lighting going on, so the weather's shining, I'm in a good mood. Let's get this spicy mommy get ready with me rolling. It is 28 degrees, guys, by the way. So you know we have to do our special setting spray routine. Get the matte foundation out. This is the only foundation, by the way, that I actually suits, is going really close to my skin tone, because since pregnancy, guys, I have gotten darker. Like, I've got so much hyperpigmentation. My skin's changed and drastically. It's not a joke. And I will do a video on skin changes and skin and body changes in pregnancy that I did not expect, boy, because there was a lot. The closest foundation to my skin right now, so I have to keep on using it until I pop out, you know. So I pop out, baby, you know. So in summertime, I don't want to overwhelm myself, so I will literally do as little foundation as I possibly can, like only on dark areas. Like I said, less is more in the summer. Forget to wet my beauty blender. I know when my baby gets here and you know they get a little older, I will be telling my child to go and wet my beauty blender for me. I'm looking forward to that. I lost my piercing ball. I just don't feel like me without my piercing. That is my signature. I lost it. Oh no, I found it. Doing my makeup to match my skin is so important to me, so I might have to use this concealer instead. Who even am I? Do you know what I mean? A lot the changes in pregnancy, yeah, I wasn't ready. Embrace the changes, because there's not much you can do. Guys, make sure you watch till the end to see the whole transformation of my outfit and the makeup. In this hot weather, I don't know how a lot of pregnant women cope in it. Like, this is my first pregnancy. I don't know different weathers, like I don't know anything really. You have to adjust to the weather. And I don't really go out a lot as I used to, so it will only be once in a while, but I've decided to go out on this day where it's going to be the most hottest. I just thought to myself, Vanessa, you're not going to stay inside because of the weather, are you? You're going to kind of adjust to it. One thing in pregnancy I will say is finding something to wear is a myth. It's a myth every single time. So I literally have to buy outfits because my closet is not maternity worthy. I literally bought the outfit that I'm going to wear at the end of the video. I literally bought. And I think it's so appropriate for pregnant, you know, girls in this weather. It's the best part. It's my highlight. Of course, we have to do a bright under eye. Doesn't matter how dark we get. Bright under eye. Be bright on the under eyes. But I do at the same time. And no one can stop me. Guys, did you know that in pregnancy, apparently, you get more clumsier? And it's not a joke. Because I've been dropping everything everywhere. And I can't bend down. So it's crazy. The changes are mad. Like, I don't know how people make it look so flawless. For example, I'll leave my car keys downstairs, but I would never used to leave my car keys downstairs before. I always carry it upstairs. So why am I when I tell you, child, this experience is more than just a big belly. It is literally big belly, different body, different mind. Everything is changed. It's not even funny. I've seen a few of your comments, guys, that were like, you know, Vanessa, I don't know how you look so good in your pregnancy. When I was pregnant, I was looking run down, or I didn't have time to glam up or look pretty and stuff like that. Let me tell you something. When you want to find time to do something, you will find the time to do something. The same way I woke up 9 o'clock this morning because I knew I wanted to do some makeup, knew I had to glue on this frontal, knew I was going out for drinks, is the reason why I set my alarm for 9 o'clock. Because normally on a Sunday, I'm sleeping all the way until 1 o'clock. With no shame. You will find time for what you want to do, so don't feel bad about it, but just know that if you really wanted to look good your pregnancy, you would actually find a way. Or if you really wanted to like find the time to do things that you wish you did, you would have found a way. But everyone's built different. Maybe, you know, getting glammed up was the least of your worries when you're pregnant, but for me, I said I was going to find that time, and you know, that's what I've been doing. But to be fair, in real life I have been looking crusty, busty, everything. It's not Gucci as you see it on camera. I'm literally like in a bonnet half the time, oversized t-shirt, no makeup, my nose is spread out, everything is just spread out. But when it's obviously time to film, that's when you guys see me glammed up. So if you watch, it's really good for you guys to watch my vlogs if you don't, because that's when you see me run down, bust down, everything down. And I do it with no shame because I can't look pretty 24/7. I'm sorry. Like, don't compare yourself to celebrities or social media when it comes to pregnancy, because a lot of people have help, whether they paid for it or, yeah, a glam team or whatever. Listen, that's the last thing you want to be doing, is following anyone's pregnancy journey, especially when it comes to celebrities, because they pay for help, right? I ain't paying for no help. I can't pay for no help, so I kind of have to help myself. But so it's not the same. So don't ever feel bad for, you know, feeling like you haven't done everything in your pregnancy, because a lot of people are just trying, like me. A lot of people are just trying, and that's why I always show my vlogs the reality, because I ain't gonna sit here and lie. Like, I am tired. I'm tired. You don't have to sit down worrying about if you have enough bottles all the time. Take some time out to enjoy it, because I literally went to my appointment at my GP the other week, and I asked my nurse, my doctor, I said, is there anything that I should be doing? Like, I was expecting her to say, you know, exercise or rest or get your feet up. She said, enjoy it. That's all you have to do. Enjoy it. And I was like, oh. I was like, oh, well, okay. Yeah, you ain't gonna tell me twice. Face. That's what I like to do with bronzer. Kind of like bronze everything away. Comes to this. And I'm gonna go for pink. Yep, bling bling. Do wing liner. I think we can. I'm sorry guys, I'm so sorry. That is the beauty of makeup. When life wants to change what you look like, say don't make me do it. Don't make me put this contour on. Don't make me put this contour on. Just to give myself a more defined skinny face that I had but didn't appreciate because I was too selfish. And now can come in soon. I'm gonna put my outfit on, guys, now too. Bought this baby girl necklace from Pretty Little Thing. I think it's so cute. It's a choker. And be a spicy mommy. Baby girl, by the way, guys. Stop trying to guess the gender. Stop trying to guess the gender. I also managed to get this cute ring set from Pretty Little Thing. I'll show you guys a picture, but they're so cute. I don't really wear rings, but for some reason I feel like wearing rings, so That's what I got. Leave lots of mousse. I want it to be wet looking. I don't know if I should get rid of this chain or if I should leave it. I probably should get rid of it. Should I leave the chain? Does it look too weird? Sorry, I got hyperpigmentation everywhere, so please let's not judge.